David, you win.
Oh, seriously?
Because Battle for Dream Island is up next.
Why don't people like me?
There's more Battle for Dream Island is coming up next. We'll be right back before teaching how to do...
We are free of them now, but we look on to the moment that we see the next slice of cake, a step closer to the prize brought on by Cake at Stake.
Cake at Stake.
Guys, you see that? She's turning evil!
What? That's crazy. I think it's time to see what's really going on inside the so-called Leafy.
Yeah! Football!
And we're back. Now back for the Jack and Jellify.